is going to replace cybersecurity professionals. You've probably heard that a lot. And honestly, when you see what AI can do today, it feels believable. It can write code, analyze data, and even find vulnerabilities. So it is a fair question to ask. Are we slowly being replaced, or is something else actually happening? Because when you stop looking at opinions and start looking at real studies and real data, the answer is not what most people expect. So let's start with what is already happening right now. AI is not something futuristic in cybersecurity, it is already being used daily. One of the biggest changes is automation. A large part of cybersecurity work involves going through data, like logs, alerts, events, all of that. And this is exactly the type of work AI is very good at. Studies show that a significant portion of these tasks can now be automated. In some cases, close to half of the work done in security operations can be handled or supported by AI systems. And when you think about it, it makes sense. Because in a real environment, you can have thousands of alerts every day, and no human can realistically go through all of them quickly and consistently. But AI can filter, prioritize, and group those alerts in seconds. That's why many teams report saving a lot of time when they start using AI tools. But this is where people start jumping to the wrong conclusion. Speed does not mean understanding. AI can process data very fast, but it doesn't truly understand context the way a human does. And research clearly shows this. AI systems depend heavily on the data they are trained on, and if that data is incomplete or biased, the result can be wrong. And because of that, sometimes AI flags something as malicious when it's not, and other times it misses real threats. There is another important problem. AI can be tricked. There is an entire field of research focused on this, where attackers manipulate inputs to confuse AI systems. In simple terms, you can make the AI see something that is not really there or ignore something that is. So instead of replacing humans, AI still needs humans to guide it and verify its decisions. Now, here's where things get more interesting. Because defenders are not the only ones using AI, because attackers are using it too, AI is what researchers call a dual-use technology, because it helps both sides. With AI, attackers can generate more convincing phishing messages, automate parts of their workflow, and scale attacks much faster than before. And I can tell you from personal experience, this is very real. I have started using AI myself when testing systems, legally guys, okay? And it has helped me a lot. Helps me think of different approaches and sometimes even shows angles I would not have thought of immediately. And that's exactly the point. AI is not just making experienced people faster, it is also making it easier for beginners to get started. And tasks that used to take a lot of time to learn can now be done with guidance from AI. So now you have more people entering cybersecurity and at the same time capable of launching attacks. That naturally leads to the big question. If AI is automating tasks, helping attackers, and making everything faster, does that mean jobs are disappearing? This is where the data gives a very clear answer. Cybersecurity is still facing a huge shortage of professionals. There are millions of positions that are not filled. So even with AI, companies are still struggling to find enough skilled people. At the same time, surveys of people working in the field show something interesting. Most professionals say AI is helping them do their job better. It makes them faster, more efficient, and capable. And many of them believe it will create new opportunities, not remove them. So what's really happening is AI is taking over repetitive tasks, things that involve going through large amounts of data, while humans are focusing more on decision making, investigations, and complex situations. So the real impact of AI is not replacement, it's a shift. And that shift creates a gap between people. Those who rely only on repetitive tasks may struggle more, but those who learn, adapt, and build deeper skills become even more valuable. At the same time, something else is happening. new roles are starting to appear. Because now AI needs to be secured. We are seeing new types of risks like attacks against AI systems, data leakage through AI tools, and manipulation of models. So cybersecurity is not getting smaller, it is expanding to new areas that did not exist before. So when people say that AI will replace cybersecurity professionals, that is not what the evidence shows. What the evidence shows is AI is changing the job, it is making some parts faster, it is making attacks more advanced, and it is creating new challenges that require even more skilled people. But now I will give you my opinion. So I think that AI can be a threat for some people, but a game changer for others. Meaning, those who adapt may have better chances than those who ignore it. But at the same time, nothing is guaranteed. Even if you adapt, there is still risk. AI is improving very fast, and that is not going to stop. We are already seeing AI being used to find vulnerabilities faster and even discover bugs that have existed for years. So, honestly, I think no one knows exactly what will happen. But if you look at the situation logically, adapting is still the better option. Now tell me what you think and what your approach will be in the commentary section down below, because I would love to know your opinion. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another video. Thank you for watching, see you next time, stay curious and stay safe. Bye bye!